Hi guys, my name is Chien and welcome back to the Umbraco Learning by Example project. And today in this video we will continue working with the contact us form. Okay, so in the previous video we have done the create the HTML form here and do the validation. And we also done the create document type and the template in the Umbraco admin. Okay, so today in this video we will continue create the model and also saving the data into the Umbraco admin. Okay, so let's do it. And I will open the Visual Studio and I will open the contact page, contact content, nothing here. Okay, so here you can see we have the contact form with the information here. Okay, so I will copy this part of the footer into a parcel view. Cut it. I will create a new parcel view here. It should be set layer. I will name it contact. Okay, so now we will come back to the contact us page and try to refresh this one, and the form will be hidden. Okay, so now back to the contact here. Save it. Cool. Okay, so I will change it in the contact parcel view. Contact parcel. Okay. I will also create a new controller for contact. Okay, I will open this one, copy. So we will render the contact. Set it layer. Okay. Cool. So now when we call the action render contact, it will direct you into the contact parcel view here. Okay. So come back to the contact page. I will open the home and copy. This one is the controller name. Okay, and the controller, it should be inherit from the surface controller. Okay, cool. Close this. I will back to the website and try. Okay, so the firstly we have to build the solution first. Okay, open the visual the browser, refresh this page. Yeah, you can see here the contact form information has been back. We have the form title and the component. We have name, email, and message. And when the user click on the send message button here, so we will save the information of the user and message into the Umbraco admin. Okay, so next step we go ahead to create a model for contact. Okay, it should be the model here. I will name it the contact model. Yeah, so I go ahead to create some property. It should be ID, name, email, and message. Publish ID, publish string, name, email, message. Okay, close it. And now I will write the code for controller. Back to the controller. So we will create a new action to handle the submit form data. Okay, publish action result. I will name it is submit form. Handle submit form. Contact model. Okay. Using Umbraco training. Và message equal service dot content service dot create content. Dot name. So we will create a name to save the content. Okay, plus date time now go to string. Okay, so the form it should be the contact content. Okay, look better. So now we go ahead to set the value for this form. Okay, so in this form, the contact content we have name, email, and message. The the code username, email, and message. Okay, cool. So now we go ahead to set the value for username, email, and message. It should be message set value. Name, message, email, message. Back to the back end. Okay, so before we do this one, so we should check some the model state. If model state is valid, and then we read. Okay, and this one we will after we set the value for property, so we have to save and publish the content. Okay, so it should be service dot content service dot save and publish message. Okay, and after that we have to return the data. We return redirect to current Umbraco page. So instead of the go direct into another page, so we will refresh the page and to clear the content all of the content on the form. So after that we open the page again. And otherwise, if the model state is invalid, so we will return the current page, current Umbraco page. Okay. So now we will back to the contact page. The contact page here. Contact path view. Path view here. Okay, so for this one, okay, so for this form we have to add some the form. Okay, so we have form method both here. I will comment this first. Okay, delete. The Umbraco form. Controller handle submit form. The next one is the controller name, should be contact. And the method is form method dot post. Okay, name. I think this one should be name. Name. Back to the controller. Should be name, email, message. Okay. Okay, so now try to deploy the code. Done. Open the page again. Content. Waiting. Okay, so now we have contact us. I will delete this one. Delete. Okay, so now after the user submit the content from the contact us form here, so it should be save the content underneath of the contact us page. Okay, back to the website. Okay, submit. I will copy the message. Okay, so if you can see back to the admin, yes, we have just created a new contact content here trên Vũ email and hello everyone email message, nice to meet you guys. Okay, and the format structure of the content is the username, date time. Here, this one is the format. Yes, and we can do it with another format by just updating the format here. Okay, cool. And now we back to the front-end page. Okay, here so you can see after we create a new contact us data underneath of the contact us page here, so the child page of the contact us will be displayed under of the navigation. So actually there is the data, so it should not display on the navigation page. And how to do it? Okay, so now you back to the admin, you can see Here, go to the setting, document type, and the content. Click on the permission. No, content. Here a permission. Okay. No. Composition. Yeah, you can see here we have done in previous video. We have a high page from navigation property here. So when the user click on the we have to add the high page from navigation property into the content here. So now when you create any content for content, so we have a navigation page setting tab here. It contains the Umbraco Navi High property, and if we click on this one and save publish and back to this page, so we will, after we refresh this page, so the sub navigation here should be gone. Okay, try to do it. Okay, it go away. So now I will try to submit again one more thing. Submit, send message. Yes, here you can see after we submit a new one, it will display underneath of the navigation. It look the we have here is not good here. And back to the admin, refresh this page, and you will see a new content of contact us will be added here. And but the Umbraco Navi High is still not checked and saved and published. That's why we still see the new content display under the navigation. Okay, so now for example, when the user submit any message to the Umbraco admin, so we have to check and select the Umbraco navigation high property is true. So meaning when you when the data set successfully into the admin form under the contact us here, so the data will be kept in the admin and don't display on the link on the navigation here. Okay, so how to do it? I will open the setting, go to document type and hide navigation. Here we have Umbraco Navi High. Copy this one, and I will open the Visual Studio. Actually, we are able to set the value for this one here. Copy it. I will back to website and copy this one, and it should be true by default. Okay, and build it again. Back to the website, refresh the page. Okay, submit it again. Send it. Okay, yeah, you can see here after we add new the data into the Umbraco admin, and the new data is not displayed underneath of the navigation, and hopefully we have no issue, and the data has been saved into the Umbraco admin, and also don't display on the navigation. Okay, open the backend, content, refresh this page. It should be 3 items. Yeah, trên Vũ Tu, content, here. Okay, it works fine for now. And back to the website here. Actually, the current behavior on the website, I think is not good. After you submit any content here, I will try it. Okay, so for example, when you submit the send message here, uh, it will execute it will call the handle submit form action. So after that, when it saves the data into the Umbraco admin and you don't have any return message, quick let you know the form has been added into the Umbraco admin, and you don't know the data submitted to the server is correct or incorrect, and you don't know the result. And okay, so I think we should have a message here which handle the action. And when the data set into the Umbraco admin, so we should display a message either thank you, thank you for your message, we will contact you soon, or something like that. So it will very helpful for the user when they take a look into the form. And actually when the customer experience will be very good, and when the client submit any form into to the server, so when they will be happy. I think happy is that more than when you don't have any return message to the client. Okay, so now submit it, still not, don't have message for now. Okay, so now I will open the shortcode and try to edit it. Okay, so now open the contact password view or contact this one first. So now I will open this one and I will copy this, copy it. Okay. Okay, so I will delete this one. Okay. Close this and contact page here. So we will check something. Okay. Deep. Deep class inner. Okay, so if we will save something here, it should be that we use the temp data before we save and publish the data to the server. So we will save the state of this action to a temp data. Temp data. I will call it either contact us succeed. Contact us succeed equal to. Okay, copy it first back to web contact, and we will check something here if it is not known. and booleans bool e2 l. Okay, so the firstly we will check if the temp data with the name is contact us succeed. It is not null, and also the value is true. So we will display the message. I will display message to thank you for your message. We will be contacting you soon. Okay, so now otherwise, so we will render the contact us. Cool. Okay, try to refresh, build the code first, build it. Succeed. Okay, open the website. Refresh it one. Also refresh the back end. Null reference. Okay, let me see. If the temp data it is not null and boolean temp data. Contact success. Okay, it worked for now. I will try to submit, and actually for now the temp data contact us success is null, so we don't display the message here, just display the form contact us. Submit. Okay, so after that you can see here we have a thank you message displaying on the page after we submit the message successfully to the server. Okay, so now I will open the Umbraco admin to see, refresh this one. Okay, Chinbu. Yeah. You can see here the new content has been added into the Umbraco. I try it again one more. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to work with the contact form by creating new the content model. And after that, you know how to save the data from the contact form into the Umbraco admin with the structure of the contact earth page and the contact content. Okay, hope to help and feel free to let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later in another video.